Alright, welcome back to the channel. And today we're sitting in front of the Yaesu FT-857D. We're on 12 meters, which is a pretty quiet band. I almost like to call it the forgotten band, but it's a great band that you can get on and make some worldwide DX contacts. Very quiet band. No contesting on this band. So great chance to hear some of those weak signals coming in. And today we heard a station coming in from Brazil. Made a quick contact with them and wanted to showcase 12 meters to everyone to take advantage. So don't forget about 12 meters for DX. Long haul contacts are possible on 12 meters. So here's a quick QSO with Papa Uniform 2 Whiskey Delta X-Ray on ham radio on the go. Kilo Charlie 2 Juliet Romeo Quebec. Yeah, good afternoon. This is Kilo Charlie 2 Juliet Romeo Quebec. Thank you for the 55 in Rio de Janeiro. I think you said Rio de Janeiro. I'm not sure. Just repeat that again for me. You are also 5757 Long Island, New York. My name is Joe. Juliet Oscar Echo.
Okay, Joey. No problem. Thank you very much for 55 or also 5 and 5. My station is São Paulo. São Paulo State, a little above the 100 kilometers on the southeast of São Paulo. It is a nose above the 600 kilometers from my point.
Okay, 73. Nice to hear you on 12 meters. Obrigado. Okay, that was a quick QSO on 12 meters with Papa Uniform 2 Whiskey Delta X-Ray into Grid Square Golf 67. It's about 4,700 miles, 7,500 kilometers into Brazil. Great band, 12 meters, highly recommended. Real quiet. Not a lot of high-powered stations, no contesting, so levels the playing field for smaller stations to make some long-haul DX contacts. I recommend 12 meters. And you could even operate mobile. A couple of QSOs afterwards was a mobile station in New York working Brazil. Like and subscribe for future videos right here on Ham Radio on the Go. Thanks for watching.